Hey Raquel, it's Jason. If you have time and if you want to, you don't have to, but if you would like, you can get a jump start on some of the certifications that you're going to have to go through before you can start selling. This is the first one that I would recommend you do. It's going to be found right here at portal.cms.gov/portal/. I will email you this link, okay? And you're gonna go into this site, and here's where you log in, but because this is your first time, you're going to click down here that says new user registration. Okay. Now on this screen, it's going to ask you to, step one here is to select your application. Now what you're applying for, what you're going to be doing is called Federally Facilitated Marketplace Request for MLMS Training Access. That's the application that you're going to be applying for. Okay, so you click on that. You read the rules here and you hit agree and you hit next. And then from here, it all should be pretty straightforward. You enter your information in here. You do need to enter your home address. Later on, you'll have an opportunity to put in the office address, okay? But this is going to verify you as an individual. CMS, being the government, you have to have your personal information in here. Now, one thing about the phone number, if you would like, you can simply use our office number if you would like, okay? Actually, you know what? Never mind. I think you're going to need to put your cell phone number there because it's going to send you text messages for like those multi-factor authentication systems. So maybe on this screen, go ahead and just put your mobile number. Anyway, just go through and register. You can change any of this later if you need to, right? So you fill all this in, hit next. You'll put in some more information, hit next, and so forth, until you're registered for the site. Okay. If you get hung up on any of those steps, call me, and we'll walk through it together. But once you are in the system, it'll take you back to this screen here, and now you can log in. You're going to create this username, and you'll create the password on those screens that I was just on. You have to agree to the terms, then you can log in. Okay. Now, again, as a new user, they may not have this set up for you right away, but eventually you're going to have to set up what's called multi-factor authentication, just like a lot of those other websites where they're going to send you a text, right, for a code. So you have to say send MFA code. So I sent mine. Oops, let me grab it real quick. Okay, 148443. All right, so verify. Now you're logged into the portal, okay? And your screen is going to look a little bit different at first. This will not be on your screen at first. You have to add this training as an application. So you're going to just simply go right here, click on Add Application. You're going to hit this Select an Application drop down, and again, you're going to type Federally Facilitated Marketplace until you find it here. Okay, you're going to click on this. Now, once you click on it, you're going to say next, and it's going to say select a role. For me, because I already have it in my system and I hit next, it's going to say, oh, no, you can't because you already have it, right? But for you, let's see here. For you, well, shoot, now it just took me to another screen. Here, let me see if I can get back. Here we go, yeah. So for you, once you type that in, once you get Federally Facilitated Marketplace in and you hit next, it's going to ask you to select a role. Now, I think the role, if I remember right, is something like producer or something like that, or agent. It's something like that. And then there's a reason for the request, and I can't remember what the reasons are, but it should be pretty straightforward. Okay. Once you've added that role, right, then it should take you back to your portal, where now you should see this box right here as one of your applications. You're going to click on it, and you're going to make sure you then click on this one right here, MLMS Training. CMS continues to offer training at no charge through its MLMS, but no CEUs are available. That's fine. That's the one we want. We want this one right here. Don't do any of these others. It's not necessary. So you click on that, and then it'll take you to a screen like this, where I think for you might have to fill all this in as new stuff. Okay, and it's important that you do this because this will be a way for people who are looking for marketplace plans to find you, okay, to get local help. So this is for local help, and it's amazing. You'll be surprised. People will start calling you, especially with your multilingual skills. You'll be able to. I think there's there's a way to put in here your your language anyway. But you're going to fill this out, individual profile, when you're available, right? When you're okay with people calling you. I just put Monday through Saturday 8 to 8, but you can put Monday through Friday. You can put whatever you want. Your business entity profile. You can let's see here. Actually, let me think here how this is going to work here. Let's see here. You will be writing business on behalf of insurance. So you know what? For you, I think you're going to put Insurance Professionals of Arizona. You're going to put our same address. This is my home address. You're going to put 3521 East Brown Road, Suite 101. This is all in my email. And then this is the national producer number for. No. That's mine. I'll get you this business entity national producer number as well. Okay, so look for that in my email. Okay, and don't worry about web-based entity. We don't do that. Okay, you hit save, and then it's going to take you to the actual training site itself. Okay, so there's a video you can watch here. You're going to see your training options under here. Okay, and you're going to see this one and this one. This one for me is over here because I've completed it, so it's in my transcript, right? But for you, it's going to be right over here. You'll see two links. Do not do the shop training. We do not do shop business here. Okay, we just don't. Just do this one here that says Plan Year 2023 Agent Broker Marketplace Training Individual Marketplace. This is the training you're going to click on. Now again, it's going to be over here for you at first. You click on it or you hit Open Curriculum, and now you can see the modules that you got to complete. Okay, so because I was a returning agent, mine looks weird. It looks different, but basically I've completed this. You're going to see your progress as you go along here. Get to 100%. Get through all of these modules until you're done. Okay. At that time, you're going to get a certificate that you can download. If you don't mind, go ahead and download that certificate and send it to me. That'll be one step out of the way before you get here, if you have time and if you'd like to get rolling on that. Okay. Thanks for coming.